How to read books offline on Wattpad. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to read the books offline on Wattpad, simply launch the Wattpad application on a device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection as well. After that, simply first of all select a story over here that you'd want to read online. So I'm going to select a very random one over here. And as you do that, tap on it, and when you tap on it, simply you'll be able to see the option of library over here. So tap on library, and here tap on library primary. So as you do that, you can just go back and then tap on this library icon on the middle of the screen. As you do that, here you can see the option of the book. Now if you want to read the book offline, simply tap on this download icon, and when you download it over here, you'll be able to read the book offline on Wattpad. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.